What is going on, everyone? I got an unboxing here to share with all of you. This is the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G Aura Black 512 gigabyte phone. I'm gonna unbox this guy quick and we'll just take a look at it. This is strictly a quick unboxing video. Here is the package. Get rid of the box. And that's basically the box and what it looks like. It has some writing there on the side. And there, we have the phone right on the top. Let's see what's over here inside of here. Let's see what's in here. And what else do we have? Literature. This device is packaged with a screen protector. If you remove it and want to use a different protector, make sure it allows for use of all touchscreen features, which is cool. And I actually have that screen protector here. And that's by Zag, so that's a pretty good one there. Here's the rest of the literature that was in that package there. Let's just go ahead and take a look at what's in the box here. We have a charger. This is gonna be the 25-watt charger right here. We have some headphones here, but here is the Type-C cable. And then down in here, what else do we have? Looks like some sort of adapter. It's a Type-C to USB adapter. And that's pretty much it. There's no headphone jack. So I'm gonna go ahead and power this on for the first time. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G, that's looking good. Okay, so I'm not going to go through all that stuff, but in the description, I'm going to put a link to Amazon for the Verizon version, the retail version of this phone that is unlocked. So it'll say VZW, so Verizon Wireless Unlocked version. You can click the link and you can go make a purchase of this phone if you just want to pay full retail for it and have the unlocked version. So I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but right here where my finger's at, there's a little microphone, like a little slit along the edge of the frame that goes around that camera. Don't know if you can kind of see it right there where my finger is. I believe that is a microphone. Okay, so I was able to go through and get everything set up and I got the phone on. I'm gonna go ahead and take this piece here off, this plastic on the back, and I save everything here just in case I sell this someday. And I'm gonna go ahead and peel that off. I think it's just a little sticker. I'm gonna take that off. And it does have a screen protector that it comes with. So for now, I actually have a SPIGEN case that I'm going to use, and it's called, what is this one? This was the liquid air one. I'm gonna have more videos for this stuff, you know, in upcoming videos here, but I'll put the links to all this stuff, including the screen protector that I'm probably going to use once I remove this screen protector. So this is what it looks like. I'm just going to go ahead and stick it in this case quick. It's actually going through and doing a bunch of updates. And there it fits in there nice. This particular case has the buttons that are raised. So that case looks really nice on there. It has all the proper cutouts. Oh yeah, the S Pen, that's down in there. There's just a look at that. Little S Pen. And the thing is supposed to be pretty nifty to play with. But I'm going to get into more videos later on this phone. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and I'll see all you guys later.